Grace under pressure. Staying calm when it counts. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing and valuable phrase in the English language. Grace under pressure. This expression is not just a combination of words but a powerful concept that can be a guiding principle in our lives. Understanding its meaning and application is essential, especially in challenging situations. So, let's explore together what it means to exhibit grace under pressure and how you can apply this in various aspects of your life. Grace under pressure is a phrase that encapsulates the idea of conducting oneself with dignity, calmness, and respect in the face of challenging, stressful, or dangerous situations. It's about maintaining composure, showing resilience, and not letting the situation overwhelm you. This phrase is often attributed to Ernest Hemingway, who defined it as what a person needs to have to be brave. However, its application goes beyond just bravery. It's about the elegance of handling tough situations without losing your cool. In life, we all face moments that test our patience, resilience, and even our character. These moments can come in various forms, be it a tight deadline at work, a personal crisis, or even a public speaking engagement. Exhibiting grace under pressure in such situations does not only help in navigating through them more effectively but also reflects on your character and how others perceive you. It's a quality that employers value, friends respect, and societies admire. Let's consider some scenarios where grace under pressure can be applied. In the workplace, handling a project with a looming deadline without panicking, and instead, methodically organizing your tasks. In personal life, managing a family emergency with calmness, ensuring that decisions are made thoughtfully rather than out of fear or stress. In public speaking, standing before an audience, you might feel nervous. Remembering to breathe, focusing on your message rather than your fear, shows grace under such pressure. Cultivating this quality takes time and practice. Here are a few tips. Stay prepared. The more prepared you are for potential challenges, the less likely you are to feel overwhelmed by them. Practice mindfulness. Techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or even simple mindfulness practices can help keep you calm in tough situations. Learn from experiences. Reflect on past situations where you felt under pressure. Consider what you did well and what you could improve on. Seek inspiration. Look to figures, both in history and in your life, who exemplify grace under pressure. Learn from their experiences and apply those lessons to your own life. We hope this exploration of grace under pressure has been enlightening and empowering. Remember, it's not about never facing pressure but about how you handle it when you do. Cultivating grace under pressure is a journey, one that enhances not only your resilience but also the quality of your interactions and experiences. Keep practicing, stay calm, and let your grace shine through, even in the toughest of times. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your journey to mastering grace under pressure.